Welcome back, Lightning ESL. Today's letter is M. The letter M, there's a capital M and a small m. This is how we print it. Capital M and small m. M is used in many, many words, like the word money, motivation, more, myth, math. Yeah, M. Look how we pronounce the letter M. M. Lips together, M. A split second more than 1 second is the letter M. M as in money, myth, more, motivation, math. Yeah. M. Caramel. Yeah. Lime, lemon. See, letter M. M. Nice letter, right? There's a capital N and a small m here at Lightning ESL. Till next time. Bye-bye.